Hey friends, if you wish to automatically clear cache on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. So search for storage sense in the Windows search bar and then go to storage settings. Wait for it to load. Simply turn on storage sense, okay, and then click on this forward pointing arrow. Now I'll tell you what this does. It will automatically clear junk files when it exceeds a certain number. Okay, so turn this switch on and then you can set it like if you wish to have it cleared every day, every week, or during load of the disk space only. Now these days usually computers have quite a lot of disk space like 512 GB or 1 TB, so you never reach that level. I usually select it at every week, and there's this option which says delete files in my recycle bin if they have been over. I prefer to keep it as 30 days, but if you delete heavier files then you can choose accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.